Welcome to the concrete jungle where dreams are made of, New York City. Navigating the bustling streets of the Big Apple can be both exhilarating and overwhelming. In this video, we'll help you make the most of your New York adventure while steering clear of common pitfalls. So grab your Metro card and let's dive into the essential tips for an unforgettable journey in the city that never sleeps. First off, must-dos. 1. Explore Central Park, an urban haven nestled amidst the towering skyscrapers of New York City. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll along its winding paths, a brisk bike ride through its verdant expanses, or a serene picnic amidst its lush greenery, Central Park offers a myriad of experiences to suit every traveler's taste. Lose yourself in the tranquility of its meandering trails, marvel at the stunning views of its iconic landmarks, and immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of its diverse surroundings. From the picturesque Bow Bridge to the enchanting Bethesda Terrace, each corner of Central Park tells a story waiting to be discovered. So, grab your map, pack your snacks, and embark on a journey through this timeless urban oasis. 2. Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Embark on a voyage through history as you visit the iconic Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Board a ferry and sail across the glistening waters of New York Harbor, where these towering symbols of freedom await. Marvel at Lady Liberty's majestic presence, her torch held high as a beacon of hope and liberty to all who behold her. Then, step ashore on Ellis Island, the historic gateway through which millions of immigrants passed in pursuit of the American dream. Delve into the rich tapestry of stories that echo through its halls, and discover the profound significance of these landmarks in shaping the fabric of American identity. 3. Walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. Experience the magic of New York City from a unique vantage point as you embark on a journey across the majestic Brooklyn Bridge. Step onto its storied pathways and immerse yourself in the hustle and bustle of this iconic thoroughfare connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn. Whether you choose to stroll leisurely or pedal along on a bike, prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking vistas of the Manhattan skyline that unfold before you. From the soaring spires of downtown to the iconic silhouette of the Empire State Building, every step offers a new perspective on the city that never sleeps. Soak in the beauty of the East River below and feel the pulse of the city reverberate through the bridge's historic cables. 4. See a Broadway show. Step into the dazzling world of Broadway and let the lights, music, and drama transport you to new heights of entertainment. Immerse yourself in the excitement of live theater as you witness a captivating performance of a world-class musical or play. From the glitz and glamour of Times Square to the hallowed halls of historic theaters, Broadway beckons with a promise of unforgettable experiences. Feel the energy pulsating through the crowd as the curtain rises, and lose yourself in the magic unfolding before your eyes. Whether you're swept away by a timeless classic or captivated by a groundbreaking new production, the thrill of Broadway is sure to leave you spellbound. 5. Visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Embark on a journey through the rich tapestry of human creativity at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, a cultural gem nestled in the heart of New York City. Step inside and prepare to be awestruck by the sheer magnitude of this iconic institution, home to one of the world's most expansive and diverse art collections. From ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces, the Met offers a breathtaking glimpse into the evolution of art, spanning thousands of years and encompassing countless cultures. 6. Explore Times Square. Dive into the vibrant heart of New York City as you explore the iconic Times Square, where neon lights dance and the pulse of the city beats strongest. Let yourself be enveloped by the dazzling spectacle of towering billboards and bustling crowds as Times Square ignites your senses with its electrifying energy. From the larger-than-life advertisements to the eclectic street performers, every corner offers a new delight waiting to be discovered. Whether you're drawn to the excitement of Broadway theaters, the allure of world-class shopping, or simply the thrill of people watching. 7. Indulge in New York-style pizza and bagels. Embark on a gastronomic adventure through the city's vibrant streets, where local eateries and food carts beckon with promises of authentic delights. Sink your teeth into a slice of piping hot pizza adorned with the perfect balance of tangy tomato sauce and gooey cheese. Or savor the chewy perfection of a freshly baked New York bagel, slathered with cream cheese or piled high with savory toppings. 8. Take a food tour. Embark on a mouth-watering journey through the diverse culinary landscape of New York City with a guided food tour that will tantalize your taste buds and awaken your senses. Explore the rich tapestry of flavors that define iconic neighborhoods such as Chinatown, Little Italy, or Greenwich Village, where each street corner tells a story of cultural fusion and culinary innovation. From savory dumplings to artisanal gelato, every stop on the tour offers a tantalizing glimpse into the city's vibrant gastronomic scene. 9. Ride the Staten Island Ferry. Embark on a voyage of discovery aboard the Staten Island Ferry, where a free ride offers priceless vistas of New York City's most iconic landmarks. Cruise across the sparkling waters of New York Harbor and marvel at the majestic silhouette of the Statue of Liberty standing tall against the city skyline. As the ferry glides past, soak in panoramic views of Manhattan's towering skyscrapers, from the historic spires of downtown to the glittering lights of Midtown. 10. Experience the High Line. Embark on a journey above the bustling streets of Manhattan as you experience the High Line, an urban oasis perched atop a historic freight rail line. Meander along this elevated park, where lush greenery, vibrant blooms, and innovative landscaping blend seamlessly with the city's skyline. Discover hidden corners and unexpected art installations as you stroll through this architectural marvel, where every step offers a new perspective on the vibrant energy of New York City. Part 2. Must-nots. 1. Don't stop in the middle of the sidewalk. New York City sidewalks can get crowded, so avoid abruptly stopping in the middle of the sidewalk to take photos or check your phone. 2. Don't ignore street signs and traffic signals. Always obey street signs, traffic signals, and pedestrian crossings to stay safe while navigating the city streets. 3. Don't overlook safety precautions. Keep your belongings secure and be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas or on public transportation. 4. Don't skip public transportation. New York City's subway system is a convenient and efficient way to get around, so don't hesitate to use it to explore different neighborhoods. 5. Don't forget to tip. In restaurants, bars, and for other services, it's customary to leave a tip of 15 to 20% to show appreciation for good service. 6. Don't miss out on cultural events. Keep an eye out for cultural events, festivals, and exhibitions happening around the city, as New York City is known for its vibrant arts and entertainment scene. 7. Don't be afraid to ask for directions. If you're lost or unsure of where to go, don't hesitate to ask a local for directions or recommendations. They'll often be happy to help. 8. Don't limit yourself to tourist areas. While it's important to visit popular tourist attractions, don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path and explore lesser-known neighborhoods and hidden gems. 9. Don't forget to dress appropriately. New York City experiences all 4 seasons, so be sure to dress appropriately for the weather and wear comfortable shoes for walking. 10. Don't rush. Take your time to soak in the sights, sounds, and experiences of New York City. There's always something new and exciting to discover around every corner. By following these must-dos and must-nots, you can make the most of your visit to the Big Apple and ensure a memorable and enjoyable experience in New York City. What's your favorite must-dos in New York? Be sure to let us know in the comments, and if you would like to be notified of more videos, be sure to click subscribe in the comments.